asema waka wo be frɛ no na wo ne a wo bɛka ɛno nti ya na waka wo de wo de yanchi adodo a ebre no so pɛ boisa homa no na yi wa firi so na obi nso aba bibia aye fine end point to me particularly kada roman waso yasene ema anope ya tena se de Ghana Today de ebrewo eba se awo na emma wawade no mu be ma niema nkoyie ode bo ani na wai ode to so a bonsu ahwie agu fam se bra enye yes a ojojo nkrofo mama yes a zade no ma ne bebro pa da kroko end point to me particularly ya so ye na ye mo pa entini mu mojamu wasabo be bia how bia hye bia na ye behwe ayi afiri wakama e de ama physiotherapy ya adwuma massage ne ya adwuma ye wakroma bo hia wasantemantemu na nkran ha ya so shell signboard sprinters road asem na make ho so yebutuo tema so ko na so akiri ho pe ye ho takura den so anaji ɛhɔ nso so yɛbutu hɔ na ɔne yɛn adi kasubom Dr. Adwoa Asare sɛ frɛ no wɔ 0244 867068 0244 867068 ɛna 0274 234 321 0274 234 321 Ajia special local foods aduane papa nyina fie no wono so kan ho bia no pe yebedidi na yenya hoden pade ya adwuma Ajia special local foods ehode yekodidie aduane bia wo pe ne fie yi aduane bia wo pe bi ho pomoden na ahwe ye kira kwan ewo hacho atomic kwan ne so na transition chen ho pe ehode yebutuo na woni yen emedi kasubom na bedi aduane papa na nya apomden se bia wonteme ma yemfa aduane mre wo pese wo surprise obi aduane kwan so na koboko sa eya frɛ yɛn 0246 359 921 0246 359 921 and I say 0594 797215 0594 797215 Ajia special local foods aduane papa efie ensuo ya fa bi kan aduane ho ensuo ye ensuo ade beka ho no se ye ntwere ho CASA ne aka nyina ekoto bekuma kasa natural mineral water Casaloma Ventures de aba no eno ne papa no ne FDA eduam setampo de asi so ma WHO kran so agye atum sampa ensuo we de ono mo asem ka bi ye ne ya kire nonom bi enti ode ensuo ma wo bi wo recommend ensuo bi de ama obi a hwese obe recommend kasa natural mineral water nkomi nim eno nti yade de one ne tonkwanta mo pai kra dwumade bi a wudi a wo hia nsuo wase no kasa natural mineral water ena make am for de ama wo ye wono sachet bottle ene watete adaba no ne friend dispenser no eno so ebi ewo hosa na bibia atumi ayeboko kwaji bie na emo pa bia wontumi enko onya ya nka yemfa bi mbre wosa wo ho kwan ne wa bibia wo ne nti frɛ yɛn 0206 469 430 0206 469 430 ye kira kwan wa Taifa back hospital na chi wo pe eho ene yebutuo ye dwuma ye di wo Sompa fie ha onya ya ye pesanka sompafo wo mo boba dwaton de ho da wuruma mi otu ba bia me wei enka chi kra ye numbers ina frɛ WhatsApp text SMS WhatsApp message voice note Telegram ba bia fafa ho na ye ne eni kasubum ehun hia se ne obeja wadwuma ho se wo ba sompa na ne ya ba bedi kasubum da bi ekwan ne wa na afi nso ebre ne adagye say time is money nti fa sa time na adbe ba no fa ye adwuma na emum ene eni nkomo 0531 886 216 0531 886 216 0531 886 216 na woni yen abonkomo abusia won madawro ma no ma so yasene ye de Ghana Today de ebrewo abiyafo na ye crowd me din de odoma koma chia me Obrempong na kwaku ampoma esquire wa ha na abena bedua de pakofi Abakay for short wono so ewo ahase abusia fo mako abo
kwaku
na ohuna mboko de
Awurade adom na dom ya
Awurade adom wo hu ye mobo ena nso so ye fiada na genzi for ne se du fiada ye ntufo ti na ye ha ye hu ntuamfo na emu so omko no mbepem no msamba de a na nso ye de bi ahye wo mo mimi kita chronicle wa ha na chronicle say ya yen kan Proverbs chapter 17 verse 13 and na baby ode fa ye no na chronicle editor no say me pene kira kwan
na bona baso oye adwuma so
adwuma no de wo ye pa na katua no me hwese so a nse de pepa no so no akatua no so antia adwuma me nim de kita wo ho
daily guide as usual by the Ghanaian publisher and so and the new weekend crusading guide and also by asa no pay and asa no pay as me voice my me do ana
So na one shedan kasa
sound
na bin so one shedan so nta mo da kwa chire bibira sa na sa nana bro seti me bro kasa nyina aka ho
say abna me hwe pepe kita
daily graphic de obokrata no ha truth and accuracy every day daily post so apost be e de aba na eno de enimu no mienu pe na amode ba nsem mpa Ghanaian Times GT de obokrata no the most authoritative newspaper woman so bedwa
ajo say sorry no panase apart from say bia obebo mpaye na se wo nkasa se bia bia wo fi be
se men nkasa
e foka eno ane mate mesi wa ha ana eno kra ba na de ubesi ano ano no se on kasa na ominimu no emie kakra moment abesha se wo ye adwuma with kasa adwuma no afi won say boldness ne beba ba wo ka ko animu ani mu bia
na emu bia na ayewe wo
sometimes it is like that na papa no asemo and pesa me di be shemu
by na de ensam na de ebi e serious o chale
some crofo mi no we ade o ena bi kuro before yi ba ko ena by akanfo yi so ba ko ena ne ko wi aponche no kuro before no ko wi aponche no yesi onu mu nkomu afi ni onu mu eko wi aponche no mu nkomu afi ena ne ko wi akokọ no ebu mu nkomu buso minsia ni okowi akokọ no mu nkomu buso minsia na ni okowi aponche no mu nkomu afi ena ni okowi akokọ no mu na ye mikurom ni no ye wie ye na chi na nsa na saje agina ni kan musa nso mu difa na wo mu dibem ni mu ode sentence ne ma wo mu wie ye no ena wo bebusa sisi asem na bebu awie die ne nso afi na mbesa bebusa se wo difa na wo di me bia na masasa ma adwen ena ba ko no mikurom ni no musa nse nipa mi no ko wi ade ba ko wi akokọ ba ko wi aponchi ko wi aponchi ko mbusu mesia mi ko wi akokọ ko fina bisa se me de fa na me de be me di kole fisa ni me kolo mo di
o di kule ampa se no ani ni kuro mo di na won ka sei no ani ni kuro mo di
ajo mu so mi yankwa abra
anyway mame embobo we ni so tewtew na abantoa so the Ghanaian publisher ena mede hyasie emisensem no ana den krata ne nyina wo mode aba o say Bank of Ghana validates Baumien's gold reforms upon kroma na eka eno no wo krata fa etoso miensa ukọ krata fa etoso mienu nso asame Gemfi wins 500k defamation appeal same bra same
sure
mame mfra na eneja bia na
we no ho na po de kotwa na 500,000 ema owini ye eno akwa appeal ema appeal no isi aboska na to abo sa judgment ndi wenye ntua 500,000
wenye ntua senka sa sika ye betimi dia ye bibi
we kwa kwaje kakra ba na
esa mitimi kwaje kakra enti eno so ho asem Gold Board CEO ena oda kratafa etoso mienu ewo the Ghanaian publisher emui court strikes out AG's application on Hanan's travel no order to revoke sadie yi kanenaf ko papa yi womo ye senka womo eko na womo file application for netimi aboa ma papa netu kwan yese ne ho mfa no wo any problem yes se wo kwa ma no ne wo kogye ayarehwe se ahyase en ruling na edi kan ba ye no womo ma abre se bia wo be free Ghana eda sei ba wo be make sure say eda sei no wo be back afei ekowiase ai ene enum ne ye de koche no ewo airport no afei ye man ni bill ni ade no kra se ne yamfa condition bi amata ho ene ye man ni bill ya ye man no a ye se ni mobile phones ne niema ne gadget bi ne niema hudo bi a wo mu seize ye nyina aka yokofo ho ene ade afei Godfrey Yebo Adami o ye ne lawyer say ene won be hwe no ma file application for said be ya akwantu no wanya nkwa first one na we de ekwan betimi ada ho amwa akwa gya ya hwe wo mko ya wo say travel eyi ne ye de baaye no ebre na twam enti atwam de atwam sasai enti eno so ho asem ko katafa to so mienu a enna wo behunu e wa ha TikTok eyi Camilla ya o didi mampanini ne ho kani atami se ye jeli no ye se won kodam 1 year enti okọ no oba nra me hu se ne brother no pachew so wo ba wo ba hwe wo ba hwe enti nkuo mu ho ne mobo enso ahumobro no nya amaso nimzo wo ba na okoye saade no enti eno so ho asem okokrata fa eto so enan wo the Ghanaian publisher mu ewo ho TUC demands withdrawal of tribunals bill. Oh, how? Nasa adie na mo se ya adepa.
Me say minority for nso to tum kakra. Almost say section 4 bills article 4 b na honso yenyin free ho ne ade
Daily Guide or say 12 perish in Gori Konongo crash and nara husemu isiye ewo enkrakuma se kwantimpon so Konongo ho baby akwenhia siya asemiensa ena na ye involved enipa 12
and in fact as at before the close of the day and run do 14 na def to na do 14
eya sempa eno so ho asem ewo Daily Guide kwata fa to so ensia parliament 7 party interest yera tuguba na eka say eyifo edi 150 years Supreme Court enti nkrofo bebre ko kasa wase enti ho no wode tudwa ade mu kra so wose nkrofo bi wo ho no a ye frɛ wo mo justices but wo mo ye injustices nkrofo bi wo ha justice edin justice na da wo mo so as judges no wo ensem fata yes trippy efri wo mo ho atade ne de ahye wo mo na nya so adwuma no wo mo ye no nti ene ensam ne de enura bi ko so pa ma chief justice na nkasa akura de bito so yera Paul Bafo Boni e de bito so se esi eduru ba bi aso man a atentre ne se be nya sikafo nko an ekode ma wo ordinary Ghanaian no esese wo no so wotimi enya somfa so eno na ye democracy ne be wie peyo enti eno so ho asem Daily Guide unsa so so bia ni aka ni nyina no na medical bobo so e wode Ghanaian publisher mu no the New Weekend Crusading Guide eno so Yera Hanan asem no eno so da ha no mu sei Bank of Ghana answers confirms Baumia's gold reforms upon Kroma na eka said the medical boss no so ha no sei stop the xenophobic attack on Jonah capital Ghanaians warn Nigerians samum 16,000 nurses to be recruited into undeserved communities. I said, "Ra, Yera Mahama, no one nam vote a hono money at the idea." Enti Okokasa said, a nurse for no dear, a few cranny ye befa womo. Nitichu pane, and potem hodo noa. Ye pussy woman, a woman peso mocon, say, I cry, no woman can teach a phone, ya my incentives ni more ye de. Enti unkokora obeko. Enti eno so ho asem the New Weekend Crusading Guide no ena no pay wo mo abobo so a yenso ye di ebi amamu enti aba ento aso
Minfa Daily Graphic de obokrasa no free media say truth and accuracy every day. Dr. John Chenapo onyenyamfo eno da he wono ne so ani a wo hwe energy and green transition wakasa kire mu sese de be ya oman ye fango ho nsam betimi akoye nti omu boost local oil refineries no na sikabotina panifo allocate e de ekwakoshe crude nim no 1 million Ghana cedis eno no emu nsam ewa ha no senti no government allocated 1 million barrel parcel of crude oil nti na ye parcel no oil crude oil no na won mo de mako 1 million ya parcel no sa no de kwakoshe mu nsam ewo eye krata yimo na 11 billion project funds still in BOG Bank of Ghana account no emo empanifo nso abo mama ne el krata fre no etosu dubako ewo Daily Graphic de obo krata nim Kokobo settles 162 million bills arrears inti yakuyafo e won mu kire mu se arrears ya na ewo ho a woso won mu tua 162 million no won mu so wo matwa ye onunyanfo arikupuku wo ebo ho amane ewo krata yi mu krata fre etosu edu emiensa ya ye dane akire ede asomwo asante hene otikru ni brawe ngoma so otumfo say tutu enra ewa abra Supreme Court 150 anniversary ya wani mu di yase okasa asie bi na asamba ko a otumfoɔ ɛka yɛ ɛne sɛ nkɛbɛyɛ a wɔn bɛsrɛ sɛ nsɛm ɛfa ahensɛm ɛbɛpie mu ɛwɔ kɔɔto a wɔnam ɛnhyɛ na deɛ ɛwɔ sɛ nananom tena so bi ɛyɛ no kɛyɛ ma nananom tena so na ɛmmoa na asɛmdie no nso ntimi nkɔ wano yɛ akratafɛ ɛtɔ so edu emiensa da wo krata yi edi emu nsam aba ewo ahanom esei na menkɔ krata foforo mu nso na daily post de wo krata no so post bi krata famiensa na afi enkono no onyonya governance kwame agboja wono ne so ani ohwe yakwan ne akwantebon nsam so no gina ha yi empanifo akire mu nse big push no wɔnom de sika 40 billion ɛna wɔmo de akwakwa hyem sɛ de bɛyɛ betimi aboa ama dwumadi a wɔnom edi no enso etimi akɔyie fra mantamu ɛna ne Ghana mampanini ɛkɔyɛ nti wo hwɛ akwakwan bi a ɛno ɛwɔ hɔ nom sɛ de ɔka volleyball bridge yi die yi ɛne mantam no de a akaka no ne nyina emu nsam ɛwɔ krata yi emu na krata yi de nsɛm bi ɛba ya na ɛfa owura chairman untumi ho ye nyina nim sɛ ɛkyena ne na wɔtwe ɛna MPP amanyuko no constituency elections no ɛkɔ so na yɛtete free asante mantam mu sɛ mpanimfo a wɔn ɛto aba no yi wɔn ɛwɔ asante mantam mu MPP wɔnam afa no baabi no na wɔsɛ deɛ ɔmo nyina nim so ɔyɛ chairman no wontumi ɛboa na wɔn ɔso wɔn in wanyɛ deɛ nti a wanyɛ no krata yi ɛde aba ya wɔnom akyerɛkyerɛ mu na n'akyidifoɔ na ɛkasa sɛ deɛ nti a wamboa ama wɔn ansoɛ in no ɛne sɛ abatoɔ nankasa no ekuo ne hyehyɛ yɛ a na wɔsɛ wɔn di so no wɔn ani so enti no ɛnyɛ wɔn no kyɛma wontumi ne ebu mmara so na emom kwan a wɔn fa so de to aba no ɛnam ekuo ne hyehyɛ so ya nyina nim sɛ deɛ si banteme na akɔyɛ nsɛm bebree ɛno ɛka ho na sansɛm nim no ɛna owura Mustafa Gbandi wɔno ɛna yɛ trɔfo abedi akyire de ma ndis amanyuku wɔno so aka na adwen ɛde afa kyɛma wontumi ne na yi a na asɛm a wɔka yɛ anaasɛ deɛ nti a wansoɛ mpanimfoɔ ne in no na ɔno so de ne deɛ abakrata fɛ to so ɛna Daily Post ɛdeɛ a wɔde ɛbaayɛ ebi Ghanaian Times the Obokrata the most authoritative newspaper on also EDB Abana Unyafo John Dramani Mahama Ghana Mampenini and the Jordia so above for me Nina a resetting agenda no into resetting Ghana to water star test house to bounce back and a woman a day aso above for me into no Ghana Mampeni wash your pa into Nina Eshe 24-hour economy model market no way our Japan and Rawa Branon and from Mantem Nejumedi a course so Kata Feto so do no ewo Ghanaian Times the Obokrata yim engage Nigerian overtreatment of Jonah Capital Group edges President Mahama into no any penifo na eba mani said the Nigeria for bi wanum a treaty adishie bi no eno mo nsem kratafe no etoso du ebako Ghanaian Times the Obokrata yi abomo amane government releases 5 billion Ghana cedis to recapitalize Ghana Bank of Ghana kratafe etoso edu eminu emu ensam na ebetimi aboa sasika no betimi aboa 5 billion de ebeboa ama Bank of Ghana wo mu dwumadie no etumi akoyie ewo afa ho 12 killed over 30 injured in Konongo highway crash enra na ya rehosampa kratafe etoso edu kratafe etoso miensa akwanhye ya esi ya na adwa eka ho asemi ya ayi Obrempong krase enra akosi anwume ne nipa 14 ena wo moti na nanom nsedu krata yi dia ba koya rehosampa o sa kwan ne de police arrest 54 in Major Kumasi anti-drug soup wo soup no mo koye ye no wonu mache nipa mako 54 ya yesusu se enubone ehu dwa opiemu asante mantam ne ne nkwado ba bia wonu die ena ya kire wonom ya eno so mu nsem krata yi edibi abahai oswani a wo hwe enwomesua ho nsem so nyamfo ha na drusu eno da hai discipline in our schools a national wake up call ene de na betwe enti no waka wose se yantian kwada e wo schools ahoduo mu no penifo guso a wo mede ne emegu akwam enche ye de ni nyina ba betu dwa wo ba ne ye bu na wo bete ase de enti a ya bu ni sanse ya ntre no no wanyini wi a ye tre na emu bebu enya adwuma ene de nkwada yi eyeye krata fa to so enson ewo Ghanaian Times de obo krata im anopa yi krata miensa maka bom na poso bia wo de baye ena me de asoma de hye
ene me nso me fa chronicle taw na nsem no de mu fa na ma bobo ne nyina so osameje mfidie no ewa ha ena what Baumia has played a role in city stability, but majority twats Bank of Ghana open admission. We young folk job on chroma. And I walk and say, yeah, can't see the no stability, or the city agina, young faster than even from Dr. Baumia. We could job on chroma.
Safin, a Juma no more ye, a manifest.
Bana eba. Ti, I don't want some more has Now, some Jonas investment under siege in Nigeria. Hey, heard you.
Won't say. I had no crusading guide for ye no Jonah. Ain't you know?
Ghanaian Times on society Jonah and me
Yeah, say some Jonah no.
Who Jonah?
Ain't you ask him kasi pa?
Na Juma ne wa Nigeria.
And investment on Nigeria.
Ne ho so de xenophobic attack ben no.
Yeah, say so more free. Ya pa more free ya ba. South Africa ba.
Into omo so be ye omo de wa Nigeria ho.
Into omo so be omo de. Someone am so monye bi wa ha. Modem ya diplomacy.
Asumdue country.
Asumdue country ni e boyem. Ya kan no yonkudo asibi akoye. Ni ekumu. Akwa nyami otumi o ze na wukumi se nyami otumi o na wukumi se yo
Entin kwakwa hawadi about group concerned citizens of Ghana has called on President John Dramani Mahama to intervene to protect Jonah Capital, a Ghanaian owned company operating in Nigeria over what it described as persistent harassment by some Nigeria's authority.
No. Anti group convener near James Clark. No, or address a press and was chronicle the abbey. Now, pharmacist, Professor Victor Uto, where vice president the Ghana College of Pharmacists, or say, young regulatory aphrodisiac. It's about time that government regulates aphrodisiac now. And yet later, now. Na yenya ise eya na akodi didi nkrofo bi nsem a na yewie a na kokofo okoche a no kra no mbehye no na nyame beken ho ye toa so
and ye no na we on be dan regulate because pharmacies no and na say miaye na wo moton aphrodisiac no wono wo ginisika
yeah
and na check selling point a wo Ghana ha wo de check ye betimi akọ shop to shop ahye de na nipa no oba abeto no wo begina shop na anim no wo kasa ma me say ya hwan na gina ho
oko metimi akire a particular area in Nkoko your pharmacies ni bi ho a obekọ no omo beto especially tramol no obas mi petiem bio ha ya onya begina ho a TM onim do ko awoto
na okra de TM no de kra de se waka
obi nso ba begina
ga me 150 mbo mi gina ho se me na say mi gina ho se o se 150 o se ma me 150 o se ma se o se ma me 2
eno ano no
we so ba se ma me 120
ebi ho a ye twa blister no ye twa have to spend everything
yeah
obi on so about se ma me 50 bi on so 225 you obeka 225 a o mam 225 mam 250 no abeka into one terms o me de tom
yeah
ugina ho o na so ye na kok chairman ana president ugina ho no abeto no de ko
so kwakwe my adwuma of pharmacy
yeah
na wo hwe pharmacy council wo mo hwehwe mu a enya aduro bia na we over the counter wo ton enya aduro bia so na even wo ye pharmacy a wutumi eton just
obi kra ba better so the prescription
yes eba ansa na wo di ama no but ye ne mra na ya yebuso
no
mimi say mi ye bio na eja yebusu ni ade a but ye wo bra pharmacy council for eba rounds wa ye yi ni nyina asie and me regulate and to regulate we have ho omo kra na e ba ye nche ho
menchiro ade ya o ka me fa kakra nto so pharmacy bi a minimum onkoko se me de ho na me free benti no minimum pharmacy bi a minimum onkoko omo no ne tramol ne sa na man on se dan na ide ode aye pharmacy wa chim si nti o ba ko ni wachire ho o we bi wachire ho ase ho do didi ye ne ho no de ne man sa akese no we se odigu nti wo kwasa wo koto a no ma wura achire ho no akoyi no de abero nti wo be ko no counter no mu kase ne nyina enim
eno de pharmacy council wo munim pa wo munim se ye ba ko ni ne hyechire ho ne ye hole na se obi ba na se ofi pharmacy council kwakuwa mu ba ye mu skada ye adwuma na ye bi ye mu ska ene wo fra me aminim because me gusu ameye adwuma no ho ye mu ska na oba no so obechewa wo bechewo so wanche na osika na ade ama na so na ni obeji ajawo enti no regulations ni de nya ade se be adwuma omo regulate no ha bo ho essence wo mo ba ska na de mo je no omo ko wo mo ni ba bia ye di guo wo be ba ensi counter so enti regulations ni de wo mo ntimi meka no wa se ye ni regulate ye no mo ja ye beton e ba nkwa de ye beton
ene ma memfa semfo adwempo nwie na yenkenkan ye quotation no obusa se semfo obusa mo abena ne adwoa na de no so aran mi o adwoa de bena da kuada wo so de sen ya
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday.
Wow.
Wo obusa mo semfo say, can Mahama guarantee you freedom after speech?
Freedom after speech.
Asem no say, can Mahama guarantee you freedom after speech? Asem a wo busa na we no me fan say a rhetorical question. Today, ya no ana fa no ye ne beto Facebook no so. Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Fa no ye bra sisi a. Ene yesemfo na dwempo ya wode aba no no. Semfo say yen kan Proverbs 17:13. Proverbs 17:13. I say, if anyone returns evil for good, evil will not depart from his house. I'm not country.
Se obi di bone tia papa soka a. Bone rempat ni fie da. Amen.
Ene fie papa ye ya manfo. Omo de bone tua ka bone mpo mu fie da.
Amen. Hey, yeah, man for papa, no body say, so Bible mu kra o. Entity any say obi di boni tria papa so.
If anyone returns evil for good,
boni rempa ni fear that
evil will not depart from his house.
A big amen to that.
Assembly as a koku ekon. And one we say am here me be kan asem we chire ho pe. Think say say me move for na me channel dey no. 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 64 and 0260 1960 65. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
ABC.
Opani, what you saying?
Nyame adom me so me ho ye na won so e.
Nyame gusu hwe me aka woni o man pani di am abo ami.
Mr. No Cross and Pacho yeti o.
Mo o mu di no. Nyam tin man kan no awu. Opani ma me fa wakonya so na me chia Mojina phone na mentia Dr. Amoba for National Vice. At the Koba Regional Secretary, Region Bibi Morakoti, Oba Regional Vice. Na mentia Kojo down Kwame Wutuda Kwamu, Deputy National Communication, Deputy Deputy Organizer, and then the SWA, Nian Kano, Papa Party for Staff, the Boa Pasu, Juma Pentina, Mesho, Diabu Triwate, to a Shaman Suko Communication. Amankai. Opedi MPP for Kasapapa. Enti MPP for Wamamu Papa, El Kosuyana. Enti Amamu will reflecting, and we will go to Komu who say, about we buy him. Oma to Papa, Ama, a ye Ghana, ye about Papa, Oma who Sakayo, go to Kumana. Oma Penini Baya, no more giving a Kunyang, I think Yang Ghana for him. Oma Penini Baya, because every day, we are not corruption issue. Every day, we day a week, Biara, no more international market, Echo Bobby here. I'm going to about no matter about we buy it, young international market, Uncle Bobby here. A man took one and one getting to of mine, and the big push, possible. And then we know because a trace ship system, possible. from who ye. I'm a poor man, not to. I support your band and say, what you know, what you know, and watching you, only never support one. Obu ye Papa one panel, and what for a more my Ghana. The China and to payment fee.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, me and them, and I say,
A radiadum, who you on Pachana on Sway?
Yako Padum, who we are calling to ye.
Amamole. Fantastic.
Trobo for say, on the Shemi Yam, Trobo constituency executive, on the Shemi Yam, Namako deputy communication officer. Omuni Modia, meeting Ampo, and there are some constituency.
Collins, me and you.
Now, the campaign manager.
Oh, I had no way pa.
Mo, Tianema, pa, say, Mivinia, I remember the travel studio. Saturday, I'm in the bush, Abu. See, or would you my
as a campaign money near release in answer what now?
Sir, a campaign manager, I mean, you know, mammy, dear good to so maybe in an campaign manager. You may be over who you I,
my into colors.
The chairman drop a point. Million share and check over 3 million and 84 by the day. And no money, my day, and talk and a fine system. Let me catch them and say, almost go back to a party at the Japan. In the NPP, NPP go and the leadership of former Akufo-Addo, any Dr. Bawumia regime, J.A. Kufuor, NPP Ojaye, and Yemunia, or what I saw to almost for maybe say, make way. Papa obeti ya kaya bom omontie una no wo tu fa o se ko bisa mane ene hwemo akasa constituency nation mutu akoya sutro any emba NDC the branch election competition NDC
Mate Medase Collins. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
The Pacha France and Aka Sefrin yo.
Mini Toto Pachi. Ashima suba kanable.
Toto Pachi.
Ashimosi Uba Canable. Asipo.
Ah.
Then no Washimosi, they like an Ogasia Blick letter.
My phone.
John.
Yeah. Yeah. Obrempong.
Oh, Obrempong. I go point you on a pound for me now.
My into to Pachi.
Oh, no, Abadua, and go point you on my can I, mammy? I could share a watch it, be able to get another plane. We didn't chat and come on MCA or the Mecca and Coupon Papa and a Peter Mesa. I would tell my ship here, Yanisha or Mona Nina Kojo Mesa or go for deputy communication. The chapel and come Abulu or Trubu, the Pacho, and his own. She threw a while and she could to you. And I smart Obanian Sanini and Smana Morton to move from Mutuabama Ulu. To say, you need to join him to an indigenous Champuano. Patumofo. Obrempong bibi. Okay, show of the review baby say, can Muhammad guarantee freedom after speech?
Chronicle editorial.
Why did this as some chronicle
editorial?
Editorial, okay. Catch and say, even me papa who me guarantee the freedom after Wakoki Council our bonting. Catch and simple.
Medase. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. But your first and I'll say free.
Begin the care of Casatu Customer.
Kia Bomba Chama into it.
Okay, Medase. I remember no person. I say, watch results. One more 30 questions. No one got to watch our banana or ma who pass ma. I remember no echo. So, who says beauty? Why, and this door, my Amambuni. I don't know. Fred Bank of Ghana, Governor Sombra, who got a Yan in camera. Sounds or near intervention. The other number and the job for 2 years. It is a man who ends to end this question. The Koyi not so much to my ma. Or more one can come for more because from neutral person, like I say, yes, Ghana Koyi. One got a multi party in a discovery every month. The Anaba Nagate, among Woni Koyi. And the voter region for what for Bama in this year to it's only given for F1.
Other than them, the country president, Mama, you three more than it could be a time now, and then should be the farm. And 2,000 much about Cassassin when you had the two fathers said, you three more, the one I could be good that day, I go to Modam, and then so you have a farm. Well, Abraham wouldn't say, and then correct. Other than so you farm, the moment Cassassin to his medium. Most now without number president, Mama, and the three more thing, and what did you vote like in the farm?
Mate.
Yeah, to inquire, it's for mine.
Hello, good morning. May you so
What train?
a radio in your board now, swear.
Yami to see them who by my town for a break.
No.
At the carry our family so to Medina.
Catch the patch of my interior.
You, Mammy Chen and Coupon. Yankopo, Chammy, I mean, she had done a month and you know, for your Sanya or Fibia. Don't money, my Emma. Go to the shield. The nation to go. Mamma, the in my home of you. That you get in the hands of some lady. Oh, Mamma, the home of you. But I'm going to Patini.
Hello, good morning.
Bilipo.
Evo, my phone.
Amale, Mount Amafo, Alivia.
Abako, I
You
feel
or before Papa will leave Mamichia incoming president. Dr. Mahmoud Baubia, John Wood, national chairman. And I am Mami Baku Bakra, organizer. Nana, Ayasan, Nana, and I'm Musitabo. Obrempong, Lipacho, Lipresa, Lipisa, Baby, and Pisa. I said, 24-hour economy. Yeah, I'm this is Syria college. Oh, you better do one year start. We will call no power, we will call you. I said, at any market. Hey, Ghana. To Mama, dear, you can't power your two for power. One of the greatest liars in Mama, or Kaobi. Yes, if you saw, most of the difficulty. Mukona, Mako Chisa, the Paron or one. There are an NPPD and the public court. Say, Oma mismanages Kabi Uganda. Attorney General, one of the useless Attorney General I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, Debbie, Evo, Mr. Say, idea why you're not be a Juma or so send your open Uhuna, so where now you see under Mr. Anwarding.
Now, idea
Debbie, Efo, Mr. Chesimon.
Let me withdraw that statement.
Let us see. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me pa chef friends and how can I free here?
Because your friend is Felix Bell. Because my friend by your trouble.
Felix Petro my inti we.
Yamia don't be diaboko.
Me pa my inti you.
You know, without the annotation, the shop that you pack with. One member of the show, Manucha, the income national chairman. Abu Bachi, Amicia, Greater Accra, second vice chairman, Eric Naki. Now, the American said, there will be the video penny the action. Name for us of that. And idea for us of that. I never want any one we open you and benefit we open and say one can watch it. You not go for it.
No crap.
And this is for 10 and they are here and another. It's really crana. For me, it's straight to say. Nana Domaye. Now, yes, you're going to say, you will be the same. But what a country of homes, the Buye, and yet, that's one cows of Wasso. The energy will be passed and Kakra, Monsieur Pochino.
Mate, may I say, hello, good morning.
One morning, Black and in a home to say,
a radio, your mobile patch on our way.
Name I am from the Benamia to say, I'm at the Canada, I am on the Kusu, the Amican, Midian and Aquame, Sompa, New Town, Kakra, can say,
Oshe Sabre, you did be a Konya, Mammy Abigail, or the co woman organizer, national woman organizer. You are just a board the national deputy organizer. You are Matete, and also a greater crowd in Natem. And I'm here to Yami at more calculating of Mesram Mepamucho, you be a Konya, executive member, Minimum Sompa 106.5. Nama Badia Collins will be a Mechiano, and also control deputy communication. Now I can't make an so mine, you see the contract at your man, the intimate cover the yaw. If you are by way and some basa your back a car, it's a fata. And some fata or bar pa to meet the deal of Mampaniat and will be more papa. So you're bushing a new plan in Kabua, I think I'll pay. And just a fata to say a free milkweed, the military win is an eminency, a free milkweed. So young people and now young Disney. Okasa Emanity will be a similar and would be pepper. You dimension of my room. Me and two your culture and don't train and for big culture and family say mine. And no be a solid no do open yet. Children will be only fun in your dream. Children what train? And now I tell you, young today I train. Me and Queen, and have one more management to home.
May I say, hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacha friends na kasa friend here.
Yeah, na teacher na kasa friend ko officer ta.
Am pacha my inti odoko.
Na me chia abritman of going na na yakoto ya ba sungi. Na me chia ni manyanfo awa kusi incoming organizer your body and na bi na mampanyi na incoming eligible me. The gidi say near my first organa hano. Kama ka say yes similarity asset. Say obi be kasa na ya chine yamane obabashi yamane wanya. Fi say ya. Nemu ma de ma pa me gino say me na MPP wa ban obi kan say judge obi retu obi kan say a friend mo panyi o ti pay mo on chiefe ya mane e dia but omo mo ka say judge kra ko obuku no judge ni traffic man 6 months it me trip fishing bisa do go Ghana say yenyi no ade ni pa no na say wo traffic na say o yes asia ho ayi no bi bi na wo di asotwe man sa me fi say mra no fi yesi tiato ye be say mo panyi say akonya na wanya no media maka onye su yi na da che akoya papa shem ne se de ni kokko ye o minus ye enye ke na no da kokko piapo akoya ya kase afia so yes na koti kokko akoya si ye di sika ko mo up to now bebre nya sika enye kokko sika o kwaji a e che se de boso ya so ye ke bi to kwaji mo sala ya de obi kwa ni de ba obi kwa ni de man kan ni wo hono no kokko ke ya kokko kare ya na waju sika o enye hwe de ma ye ni nyina no mo ben won ka ene one job doing two job abuso mbaye ene afi na musu market bi o kanisi do akra di sabu ne be ya di ada na mo fansa ase afi na mo ko bibi school be ya musu mbaye 1 3 or 1 2 3 asa na no dey
May I say, hello, good morning.
Good morning Obrempong.
Me pacha friends na kasa friend.
Kasa si anka wakini.
O anka oje.
Yo.
Me pacha magana nti.
Yo. Because in the chair that are down here, name the chair, but check out combat, and I'm a party you, and my you call, yes, some swag, but your road accident here, you will say, okay, yes, I know I shit. Yes, say, you have a see, I will betray and make a crack. Oh, cons, we have a car go to Nakwaba. Say, so, we'll call a cafe in your bar, or Baba, some Cassiaba. Yes, some of you can go with your strong baby, and I'm coaching about Shaman. Let me tell you, minister. Your furniture, young colonel, I saw you, she said, baby, is dead, Jay.